Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to get high quality iPhone wallpapers. Here are some steps to get high quality iPhone wallpapers. First is to open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type HD wallpapers or a specific app like Wally, Vellum, or Zedge app. Download and install your preferred wallpaper app. Open the app by tapping Open. Then tap on Discover in the bottom left. Then make sure it is on Wallpapers. And here, browse through the categories or search for a specific theme, for example, nature, abstract, or minimalist. Tap on the wallpaper you like to view it in full resolution. So I'll tap on this ocean. Look for a download or save button, usually a down arrow or cloud icon. Tap it to save the image. The wallpaper will be saved in your Photos app. Open the Settings app, then tap Wallpaper, then add new wallpaper. Choose the photos, then select the saved image from your photos. Adjust it if you want. Then tap on the add in the top right corner and tap Set as Both by tapping Set as Wallpaper Pair. And that's it. You changed the wallpaper from your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.